A little bit there. A little bit right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, hey there, Greenie Beanies. It's me, Marvy. Happy Siblings Day! Woohoo! Today's a day to celebrate your brothers and sisters. Sometimes our cousins or our close friends, or even our pets can feel like siblings. To celebrate, I've decided to make a picture for my sister Fab. I started off with this crayon. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Oh yeah, right there. And a little bit right there. Perfect. Next, I think I'll get a little bit of this handy dandy glitter glue. Everybody loves glitter, right? Am I right? Okay, let's see. Where should I put the glitter glue? Oh, yes. Perfect. Ooh. I'm a little bit up top there. Yeah. Oh, it's so sparkly. So sparkly. Next I'm gonna get this cute little stamp. You like it? Ha. Okay, where should I stamp? A little bit right there. And one more stamp right there. I don't want to overdo the stamp. I think that's enough. Hey, there's one more thing to put on my picture. It's these beautiful star and heart stickers. Now where should they go? Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's it. That's it. Oh. It's a masterpiece. Hey, you ready to see it? I said, are you ready to see it? Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! What do you think? It says, I love Fab. I think she's really gonna like it. You know, even though we fight sometimes, we always make up. My sister is always there for me when I need her. Oh, like that time that I fell on the playground and skinned my knee. She helped me clean it up. Oh, and that one time I lost my favorite stuffed animal, Eleanor. But Fab helped me look all around the house until we found her. I love my sister. Hey, is there something your siblings help you do? Have a grown-up write your answer in the comments below. Happy Siblings Day, Greenie Beanies.